So folks, today there's actually a very consequential court hearing taking place with Judge Eileen Cannon overseeing the Trump document prosecution. And what's going to happen in that courtroom today is that Donald Trump's lawyers are going to walk right into a trap that the former president himself set for them. Or at least that is what a national security lawyer by the name of Brad Moss seems to think, and honestly, I agree 100% with him. So here's what's happening. Right now, the lawyers for Donald Trump have tried to tell the judge, listen, we need a little bit more time because we all have to get our security clearances so that we can view all of these classified documents that are part of the evidence against our client. Simple enough, right? But it's actually not simple enough, because Donald Trump has repeatedly maintained that he declassified all of the documents that he had at Mar-a-Lago while he was president. He declassified them. And honestly, that is what his entire legal defense hinges upon, is I declassified these, so there was no problem with me taking them. I wasn't showing anybody classified intelligence. The only thing you could pop me on is a violation of the Presidential Records Act, which probably wouldn't mean much of a punishment anyway. Although violation of that does still come with a lifetime ban from running for office. So even that's still not a good defense, but it's the only one they have. So his lawyers have to go into court today and tell the judge, hey, listen, judge, we need a little more time to get our classified clearance. Now, if we had a good judge on the case, the judge would say, but wait a minute. Your client says he declassified all these. So if he's declassified them, then you don't need that clearance and you can look at them. But if he didn't declassify them and you don't get the clearance and you do look at them, then we're looking at possible criminal activity here. But if you do get the classified clearance, that means your client didn't declassify them and you've destroyed your own defense. So what's it going to be, Trump lawyers? Are you going to potentially break the law by accessing classified information in order to maintain your defense? Or are you going to destroy your own defense by admitting that your client didn't declassify these documents? That's the trap that Donald Trump has set for his own lawyers without even realizing it, and it's going to play itself out in court today. Now, again, I had mentioned if we had a normal judge, a good judge, overseeing this case, that's what would come up. But we've got a Trump-appointed judge who's already issued several very Trumpian rulings throughout this entire investigation, so Judge Cannon's not going to bring it up. So does that mean that the trap does not in fact exist? No, the trap is still there all the same, because Judge Cannon doesn't have to be the one to bring it up. But the federal prosecutors can and likely will bring up that point when this thing eventually goes to trial. Hell, they may even bring it up to Judge Cannon herself and bar the defense from trying to use the he declassified them defense at trial. And yes, that is something that they would have the ability to do. So Trump's lawyers are walking into that courthouse today knowing that they're entering a trap, knowing that, based on my opinion, they're not good lawyers in the first place, and they don't know what the hell to do. So keep an eye on that story today, folks, because it's going to be interesting to see how these lawyers react once they step into that trap. Hey everyone, this is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel? We also encourage you to like, comment, and share. But again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.